game is called what's the number? So what this is how we will do it. You will write a number. We are going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write a number here. I must not see it. Okay. You will now ask me that what is the number that you've written. So I will now be guessing. I will now be asking you, is it greater than 10? Is it less than 10? Is it an odd number? I will now you'll be giving me clue. I can only guess 3 times. After 3 times, if I don't get it, then I'm out. Are you ready? Okay. Who should go first? Okay, write your number. I'm not looking. Okay, should I guess the number now?
Yes.
Okay, is it greater than 10?
Greater than 10.
Is it more than 10?
No.
It's not up to 10?
No. It's not even bigger. It's not bigger than 10.
Yes, it's not bigger than 10. Okay, is it an odd number?
Odd? No. You can still...
I have one more question, right? Is it bigger than 5?
Yes.
8?
No.
So what's the number? Show me.
6.
It's my turn.
I mean... Okay, I'm not...
You cannot even go. Yeah, it's your turn.
Is it bigger than 1?
Yes, very, very.
7?
No. It's bigger than 7. Yeah, it's bigger than 7. If that's what you were asking.
I was not saying it's a 7.
It's not 7.
10?
That's your third time, right?
Yeah, that's it.
No.
What is the number?
It's your turn.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is it a big number?
Like a big number, like it's a group of 10. Like it have like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
And you said it's
18.
a group of 10.
Yes. But not like 10.
Like 10,
12,
20, 30?
No,
okay.
Like 10.
It's between 10 and
11,
and 12?
12, 13.
Okay.
15, 16,
Okay, good. Is it bigger than 15?
Bigger than 15 now.
That's number 12.
Number 12?
Mm-hmm.
How do you go?
Oh!
Do you think because 6 plus 6 or 12?
No,
that's the answer.
No, I just guessed.
I was supposed to do like 10.
Hey, it's your turn. I've written my number, so you ask your question.
Already?
I've written it while you were writing yours.
Is it big?
No.
Which group is it?
10 ones.
Ones? I can only do the last time.
Mm-hmm.
If I go wrong, how much? 8.
No.
7.
Yeah? Okay, let me give you one. Why are you going off camera? Let me give you one last chance. Yeah, guess once more.
7.
I knew you would get it now because I gave you.
It will not be 8 because I'm like.
I wanted you to get this because you know I like 7.
Don't look.
Mm-hmm.
Dog.
Okay. Is it a big number?
Yes, very.
Is it tens or hundreds?
It's not hundreds. It's not tens. It's bigger than even tens group. It's not 10, 20, 30, 40, or 10, 11.
Is it hundreds, like hundreds, 200 or something?
No, it's not 100, 200.
Is it 1,000, 2,000?
No.
My last question. Okay, give me a range. It's between which number and which number? Say something like it is between 10 and 20, or say something like it is between 100 and 200. Just something like that.
200. I cannot tell it. It's a number that have like zeros, more than 4 zeros.
Oh, that's a very big number. That's 10,000. More than 4 zeros?
Yes.
That's 1 million.
How did you get it? How did you get it?
I don't know 10,000. Why is it more than 4 zeros? Like, oh, come on, boy.
In fact, you still know it.
I've gotten 2. How many did you get? You got 1. Yeah, I've gotten 2. So the one that I got, mark it.
I got 2.
Mark the one that I got. I got 12, mark it. I got this also. Don't worry, I gave it 7. So it's your turn.
Which group is it?
Hundreds. No. Yes, hundreds.
What is it inside? Is it like 200, 300, 400, 500?
Something like that. Something 100.
107?
I said something 100.
107.
107. I not say something 100 and something. I said something 100. I cannot give any clue for that. The number is something 100. That's the last clue I can give you. It is something 100.
This is the last part I can say.
I've even given you the last clue. Something 100. If I give any other clue aside that, you'll get it right. So what is it?
I don't know. It's something 100. Like 2,100.
I said it is hundreds. Hundreds. Something 100. Time is going. 700. That's the answer.
700.
I told you something 100. Simple.
I thought 100.
Mhm.
100.
I said something 100. I don't know why it's taking so long. So long, Baba. So long, Baba. So long.
Done.
Okay. So, how many digits does the number has?
How many digits?
Mhm.
What is digits?
Digits is like how many, for example, 100 has 3 digits.
I have like 1, 10. I don't know what is 3.
Digits, this is digits. If I write this number like this, 456, this has 3 digits.
Oh.
If I write this 1,200 and this one
1,
has
2,
5
3,
digits.
4.
So how many digits does it have?
I don't remember. I have to
Check.
5.
5 digits.
Yeah.
What is the first number?
6.
What is the last number?
0.
5 digits. 5 digits. 60,000.
Don't show me this. I've write. I don't know where.
Why will you write another number when you are supposed to show me first? I not check the number you use. So I got it right.
Yes.
Okay, my own number has 3 digits also.
3.
You need to guess mine first now before you write another one.
I just did that one that you got it.
So my own has 3 digits.
1,000.
I said it has 3 digits.
Oh, 1,000 is 4. 100.
It has. I'll give you 3 clues myself.
100.
Calm down. I will give you 2 clues. I will give you 2 clues. It has 3 digits. And the first digit is smaller than the second digit, and the second digit is smaller than the third digit. What number am I?
The first number is smaller than the second number, and the second number is bigger than
It's smaller than the third.
the first number is smaller than the second, and the second is smaller than the first.
Than the third. No.
Then
The
third.
fourth. Calm down. Calm down. I've told you. Try and understand a question.
I'm just listening.
Let me say it again so you can understand. Calm down. The first number, it has 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. The first number is smaller than the second. The second is smaller than the third.
123.
Correct. Because I gave you the thing. If I didn't give you the thing, would you have gotten it?
And I have already the next one.
Okay. How many digits is it?
4.
4 digits.
Yes.
What is the first number?
1.
1,000.
Wait. Yeah.
Why are you always doing 0 numbers? That's why it was easy for me to guess right. You're always doing 0 numbers. And me now, it's my turn. You started. Me, I've only done 1, 2, 3, 4. You have asked me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Me, I've only asked you 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the last time that I will ask you a question.
I want answer.
This number is a product of 3.
6.
No.
0.
No.
3.
Wrong. It is a product of 3. That means
I already said 3 times.
yes, you already said 3 times. This is it, 27. So that's the last one.
And I have the last one.
If you have the last one, that means I will go the last one. Should we go one more time?
Yes.
Okay, ask.
I did it. I did it.
Okay.
You let me get it.
How many digits is it?
2.
Is it odd or even number?
Odd.
2 digits. Is it up to 20?
Up to 20.
Is it bigger than 20?
No, we have only guessed 2 times.
Yes, now you asked up to 20 and I am trying to explain what I mean by up to 20 to you. Like, is it bigger than 20? That's what I mean.
No, yes, it's bigger. It's bigger.
Okay. I will say 27. I know I cannot get it.
It's not 27. 55.
55.
You didn't get it. Yeah.
So I got 3, right?
And how many did I get?
I need to do one more before you can go.
Okay.
You've gotten 2 now. But I'll make sure you don't get this one so that I can give you the winner. Hey, we are playing game first, please.
Okay, number. Look at.
Okay, this number
Oh.
is a 2-digit number. Okay, you're supposed to ask question. Ask question. Don't let me give you clue. If I give you clue, you get it. So yeah.
60.
No.
70.
No.
77.
No.
81.
So who is the winner?
Now how many rounds did I get?
You got 2.
And 2 and 3 and 2 right?
You got 2 right out of 6. You scored 2
right.
over 6.
2 right.
Yes. And I scored 3 over 6.
3 over 6.
So winner, oh, winner, oh, winner. Mommy has won again, oh, winner.
And I win the first time. Mom, and I win the first time.